Hello everyone, good afternoon, good evening, or good morning, wherever or whenever you are. Today we're gonna just go deep into the information about the Fed chair, Powell as well, which one was just announcing that he's gonna start cutting the rates, and we have to understand where the market is gonna head next, because most of the people, they don't understand that when the cutting rates is happening, is gonna be a new paradigm starting, and we have to understand where the market can go in the next 6 to 7 or 8 months, because it's not going to be 12 months. 12 months is going to be too late, guys, and we have to understand if there is any opportunity as the time passes for us in order to get exposed to the market or to get all our money out of the market and just live, enjoy our life forever. Pay attention to this video, and if you like it, just smash up the like button. My name is George. Share this video with other people as well, and comment down below in order to understand if we are creating great content which is gonna bring value to the marketplace. And if you want anyone else in order to start understanding cryptocurrency markets, investing, work opportunities, business opportunities, just share this video with others in order to bless them, and you are going to get blessed back as well with the knowledge which one you are going to learn today from us. And we are going to understand as well, of course, where the market is standing, because at the end of the day, no one knows exactly where the market is going to go in the next few weeks to few months, but we can understand where the market was going before, when this was happening. And as you can see on the market right now, Fed Chair Powell, the time has come for interest rates to be cut. And we have to understand, is there gonna be a massive cut, small cut, what's gonna happen? And that's why we are gonna just share it with you guys to understand what's happening into the market, of course. And we have to look as well at how the market is reacting in the first place, because the market right now, Bitcoin is just pumping, is $63,769 and was just at 62,000 in the morning. The opening was 62, now it's 63,000, and most of the people, they feeling bullish. Seems like even the S&P 500 is getting better and better. But we have to understand what's happening. Everyone is saying, like Benjamin Cohen, Bitcoin is just sitting back at to its 20-week SMA, which is great. Now we have to understand if this market is gonna just react, is gonna just stay there, is gonna find a support just above 20-week SMA, or is gonna dip back. We are gonna see it. No one knows for a certain, but I always trust this guy. The most. Benjamin Cohen is a great mathematician, great student, great learner, and great teacher as well. If you want to learn more from him, you can, because he has a massive following, 850,000 on Twitter, and I believe 700 or 800,000 on YouTube as well. Is creating massive great content, guys. And if you want to learn from us as well, follow at Finance Cup today for free. Follow our channel. We create a lot of content as well in order to help you guys to understand if you are a beginner, advanced, or just you want to learn before you get your feet into the water in cryptocurrency. But what I want to say to you guys as well, pay attention, because we are not financial advisors. We are only some random guy sitting on the computer and sharing you the information which one I can see it. I cannot tell you guys I have a crystal ball and this is gonna happen tomorrow. Bitcoin is gonna go to 100 millions in the next 2 to 3 weeks or 3 months. No one knows that. And if anyone is telling you that they know exactly where Bitcoin is gonna go in the next few weeks to few months, they are fooling you, because they don't know for themselves. And you have to understand where we are sitting right now, where we are standing. Yes, as you heard before, that buy the rumor, sell the news. And you have to understand, if there is buy the news as well right now, because could be better news from now or not. We have to understand, is there gonna happen? If we look at the history indicators at 2019, when they announced that they are gonna cut the interest rates, the market was just going from, was deepening in September. It's going down for a bit, and then was going up, and then was going down, and then you have the massive fundamental from March all the way to April, May. Is this gonna happen the same? This market, no one knows for a fact, guys. No one knows exactly what's gonna happen into this market in the short term. The market is just hitting 64,000 right now as we speak, and we have to look at altcoins as well, because Bitcoin is always controlling the altcoin market, and we have to look at the total supply of total tree, which one is excluding Bitcoin, and we can see now is just testing and 942 billion, and what we want is a retest of 1.28, something like that, trillion, in order to be out of the woods. We are not out of the woods, we just get into the accumulation area where I just stated for you guys. As you can see it here, this is the accumulation, start the accumulation period all the way back on April, and I believe we can go even further down. Maybe we can go all the way to November or December, stay on this area, which is great. It's a great area to buy altcoins, and we have to understand that. Understanding is better than just saying, oh, I understand. You don't understand it, guys. Pay attention. Today, even crypto total market cap is just pumping right now. It's pumping crazy. Is just up only today is about 6-7%, and the day is not closed yet, which is great as well. We have to understand that, and we have to look as well at the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum as well, and we can see we have a fundamental here, and we are getting closer, guys. We are getting closer. Are we gonna go out of this scanner or not? We have to understand it. We have to pay attention, because once we are getting out of 792 billion and we find there a support above this line, we are gonna go to 1.12 trillion, and that's gonna be explosion of the market. That's gonna be could be the peak of altcoin season. You have to understand, when was the best time to buy altcoins? The best time to buy altcoins was back in 2022, at the end of 2022. Second best time of buying altcoins is these days, today, tomorrow, in the next few weeks. Pay attention, not financial advice. Do your own diligence. Understand where you're gonna put your money. Put your money where your mouth is. Don't risk more money than you can afford to lose. And as well, we have to understand the dominance of Bitcoin as well, because seems like it's 57.32, and we believe that this can go much higher into the 60s or above, which means when Bitcoin dominance is higher than 55, means altcoin season is not happening. When Bitcoin dominance is going below 50, that means it's smelling like something is gonna happen, and the altcoin season can come in the next few weeks to few months. Pay attention, altcoin season didn't start yet. Now it's just a accumulation period. Distribution was just happening from April till August. But now we can have another shake. We have to look as well at the S&P 500, because the S&P 500 seems like soon is gonna retest the all-time high, which one was just happening in July 2024, and we are close to that. We are not that far. We are, let's say, maybe 1% or 0.5. We have to look at US 100 index as well, which one been rejected today, which is not good. And we have to look at Dow Jones as well, which one is pumping like crazy today as well, which one is bullish. And we have to look at one of my old stock as well, which one I was getting wrecked every single day. Seems like bullish today is getting a little bit higher, which one is Virgin Galactic. Think about it, guys. This Virgin Galactic is going down for years, but I believe they can have an opportunity. That's the bottom. I believe they can go back to even a few $100. Now they are at $7 and something. Pray, let's see their progress as well. What's gonna happen if they are gonna put any more commercial or domestic flights to the moon or into the space, you know what I'm saying. We are looking forward to see bullishness, but what we have to do as well, we have to understand what's happening into the Twitter. Bitcoin wants to hit 64,000. Ivan on Tech is saying Loopring, everyone is bullish. RFK is going scorch earth on the dams. Think about it. RFK, what's happening with this Donald Trump and all these presidentials? What's happening these days? Is it gonna become a president? Just type down below, guys, who is gonna become, Kamala or Donald Trump, a president for the United States in the next 2 months? Think about it. It's just 2 months away, this election, and everyone is just debating who is gonna win, who is gonna support cryptocurrency. Do you need cryptocurrency to be supported by the government of USA, or do you want Bitcoin and cryptocurrency to be independent, to be supported only by the people? Because I believe was created for the people, only for the people to be controlled as well, not by the governments. But this is your opinion. I'm looking forward in order to understand, guys, what's happening next into the market, and we have to understand as well what's happening with this. As Fed Chair Powell said, the time has come for interest rates cuts. Jerome Powell speech in Jackson Hole, Ohio, is saying that means rates will be probably lower at the central bank's mid-September meeting, but he didn't say how much is going to be cut, which could be a 0.25 or 0.50. No one knows exactly. We're looking forward to understand it in December. I believe is on the 19th of December or something. And we look forward to understand that. Let's see what he's saying.
Overall, the economy continues to grow at a solid pace, but the inflation and labor market data show an evolving situation. The upside risks to inflation have diminished, and the downside risks to employment have increased. As we highlighted in our last FOMC statement, we are attentive to the risks to both sides of our dual mandate. The time has come for policy to adjust. The direction of travel is clear, and the timing and pace of rate cuts will depend on incoming data, the evolving outlook, and the balance of risks. We will do everything we can to support a strong labor market as we make further progress toward price stability. With an appropriate dialing back of policy restraint, there is good reason to think that the economy will get back to 2% inflation while maintaining a strong labor market. The current level of our policy rate gives us ample room to respond to any risks we may face, including the risk of unwelcome further weakening in labor market conditions.
This guy. Yeah.
So you can't really go more than a block
It's
without
bullish.
seeing
It's bullish,
something that reminds you of the
bullish.
Middle East.
We're looking forward to understand what's happening. You see cryptocurrency news today. Let's see what's happening into the market, because at the end of the day, latest news, crypto, everything is bullish right now. Everyone is bullish. Everyone is looking forward in order to go to the moon. Let's see what's happening after this September meeting, which one is going to be on the 19th, I believe, of September. We're looking forward to understand that. We're looking forward to see you on the next one as well. If you like our content, what you have to do is just smash up the like button, share this video to other people, comment down below as well. And we are looking forward in order to see you on the next one. My name is George. Bye bye.